In week number 9, we are giving away 2 wireless mechanical keyboards from our partner Ikbc to celebrate Mechanical Keyboard Day 2021. So stay tuned to find out how you can enter this giveaway. For exactly 1 week, we're giving away 2 Ikbc Typeman W210. These are wireless mechanical keyboards which impress with their easy and intuitive handling. The connection is established via plug and play. So simply connect the 2.4 GHz USB dongle, which can be safely stored in the battery compartment, to a free USB 3.0 port on the PC, and you can use the keyboard directly without any additional software. The keyboard is powered by replaceable batteries, and an intelligent integrated power saving mode also gets the maximum runtime out of them. Integrated LED indicators also inform you in time about a critical battery charge level so that you have enough time to replace the batteries. High quality PBT double shot keycaps are used, which are characterized by a pleasant typing feel and high durability. You also benefit from 100% anti-ghosting, 6-key rollover, dedicated media keys on the upper right corner of the W210, and dual height adjustment to keep you comfortable while typing, gaming or programming. The Ikbc Typeman W210 is available with either our Cherry MX Red, brown or blue switches, giving you a classic choice between linear and tactile switches. We are giving away 2 keyboards with our MX Red switches this week only. As usual, you can find the link to the contest in the video description below. Navigate your way to the giveaway widget and answer 2 questions correctly. Follow some MX social media channels and you're entered. For higher chances of winning though, follow more of ours and Ikbc's channels. Don't dilly-dally though, as the giveaway only runs from July 5 to the 11th. I keep my fingers crossed and wish you a happy Mechanical Keyboard Day.